Bonjour, bienvenue to our new video lecture on ER verbs and negation. We are going to need our knowledge of ER verbs to get us through this lesson. So if you're not quite sure on how to use an ER verb just yet, I encourage you to pause this one, go back, review ER verbs, make sure you know how to conjugate them well, and then come back to this video later. When we talk about negation, that means taking a verb from I do and turning it into I don't. So making sentences negative. That is what we are working on today in this video lecture. On y va. In order to make any sentence negative, you need two words. And there are sentences that we have seen already and what we have learned that use these two words. For instance, j'aime la pizza. I like pizza. J'aime la pizza. And we also know its other friend, je n'aime pas le champignon. So we know that j'aime means I like, and we know je n'aime pas means I don't like. So je n'aime pas le champignon, I don't like mushrooms, which is true, I don't like mushrooms. Je n'aime pas le champignon, I'm using the ne and the pas to make my sentence negative, to change it from I like to I don't like. Same thing, il y a une fille dans la classe. Il y a une fille dans la classe. There is a girl in the class. We take that and we use our two words again, ne and pas, and we have il n'y a pas de fille dans la classe. There is no girl in the class, or there isn't any girl in the class. So by using these two words, ne and pas, we have to use both words, we can make any sentence negative. In order to do that, we just take the ne and the pas and we make a sandwich around the verb to make any sentence negative. It doesn't matter what the verb is, doesn't matter what the form is, doesn't matter what the sentence says. If you are trying to change it from I do to I don't, you just use ne and pas and you put it around the verb like a sandwich. Some people like to call it a wind up in a pitch, where the ne is the wind up and the pas is the pitch. So when we make any of these sentences negative, looking at them, je danse souvent, tu nages à la piscine, which is you swim at the pool. Elle joue aux jeux vidéo, she plays video games. Nous aimons la glace au chocolat, we like ice cream, chocolate ice cream at that. Vous invitez des amis, you inviting some friends. Ils étudient souvent, they study often. So we're going to change all of these verbs, all of these sentences into the negative. In order to do so, we need ne in front of the verb, and directly behind it we need pas. That is it. That's the secret. That's the trick. You put ne in front of your verb and you put pas behind it. The only thing that changes, the only exception occurs with vowels. If your verb starts with a vowel sound, A, E, I, O, or U, or if you're using an H because H is silent, you need to put an apostrophe instead. So, je ne danse pas souvent. I don't dance often. Tu ne nages pas à la piscine. You are not swimming at the pool. Elle ne joue pas aux jeux vidéo. She does not play video games. Nous n'aimons pas la glace au chocolat. We don't like chocolate ice cream, which I can't imagine anybody ever saying, but hey, everyone's got their taste. Vous n'invitez pas des amis. You are not inviting any friends. And ils n'étudient pas souvent. They do not study often. So to make any verb negative, you just simply put the ne in front of the verb and you put the pas directly after it, regardless of anything else that's in the verb, or excuse me, in the sentence. Whether it's souvent, which is an adverb, à la piscine, which is a prepositional phrase, la glace au chocolat, which is a direct object. None of these matter. When we're making the sentence negative, all you need is ne before the verb and pas behind it. The only thing that goes in our ne pas sandwich is the verb. On y va. Maintenant c'est à toi. Now it's your turn. On the screen you should see 6 sentences. Je mange les frites au café. I eat fries at the café. Tu étudies le français. You are studying French. Il surfe souvent sur Internet. He gets on the internet often. Nous aimons aller au parc. We like to go to the park. Vous jouez au foot. You are playing soccer. Elle regarde un film. They are watching a movie. Your goal is to pick out 3 or 4 of these sentences, and I want you to transform them into the negative. So what would that look like? We just talked about what we need to do. We use a ne and we use a pas. Your job is to rewrite these sentences and put them in the right places. Pause the video now and try it for yourself. Well, okay, let's see how well you did. On y va. Je ne mange pas les frites au café. Tu n'étudies pas le français. Ils ne surfent pas souvent sur Internet. Nous n'aimons pas aller au parc. Vous ne jouez pas au foot. Et on ne regarde pas un film. Do your sentences look like mine? Did you put the ne in front of your verb? Did you put pas right behind your verb? Did you make sure there is nothing else in between ne and pas except that one verb that we need? On tu étudies and nous aimons, did you remember to put in apostrophe instead of in e? If you did all those things, then you are on the right track. We are going to continue practicing with our ER verbs and with conjugating in the negative as we continue with our studies. So, bravo and a bientôt.